Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by opening Keynote and tapping the plus to create a new presentation. Pick a theme that matches your tone because themes speed layout decisions. Once done, name the file and enable iCloud so you can continue on Mac or iPad. Make sure to import any images from Photos by tapping the Add button. This keeps assets local and organized. You're now set with a base deck and sync storage so edits won't be lost if you switch devices. You'll add slides using the plus icon and choose masters to keep structure consistent. This prevents layout drift as you build. Once added, tap objects and use the formatting brush to change fonts, colors, spacing, and alignment. Consistency improves readability. For data, insert charts or tables and link images or video from the media browser. Resize with pinch and drag gestures and lock position if needed. By formatting early, you avoid You'll polish by tapping play to rehearse transitions, timings, and build order so your flow feels natural. Adjust animations sparingly to maintain focus. When ready, share via a collaborative link or export to PPTX or PDF. Choose compatibility settings to preserve fonts and layout. If something goes wrong, like missing images or stalled sync, toggle iCloud Sync, force quit and reopen Keynote, and re-import affected assets. This resolves most issues and ensures your final presentation is complete and reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.